Hello everyone, my name is Sheyomo today, and today we are going to be talking about retargeting lists for search advertising, RLSA. Google Ad search landscape is changing. Gone are the days when the only targeting method was keywords. RLSA, retargeting list for search advertising, the Google Ads features that allows advertisers to tailor their campaign based on whether a user has previously visited their website or app or have actually viewed a particular page. Although retargeting lists for search advertising has been around since 2013, but it's still very underused. So today I'm going to be covering the basic fundamentals and things that you need to know about RLSA. RLSA can be used basically in two ways. Remarketing lists can be used for users who are actually searching on Google for the keywords you are bidding on. You can also set up RLSA to only trigger and show ads when the user on ad groups or remarketing list is actually searching for the keywords you are bidding on. The only thing RLSA has in common with remarketing is RLSA and remarketing are both using cookies to track and add users to the advertisers list. The way lists are used on RLSA is totally different from traditional display marketing. While standard remarketing delivers ads to users when they are browsing on Google Display Network, RLSA doesn't automatically show or display text ads to the user that is on the display ad, but it actually targets people that are actively searching on the Google search for the keywords you are bidding on. Let's look at the benefit of using retargeting lists for search advertising. With RLSA, you can better tailor your search campaign to the people who are qualified and actually active and valuable users who are already aware of your website. RLSA can result in more efficient use of ad spend, better conversion rate, and ultimately better return on investment. How do you implement retargeting lists for search advertisement? There are two basic things that you need to do. First of all, you need to update your privacy or cookies policy on your website. Then you need to implement the remarketing codes on your website. How do you do that? Remember the last time we discussed about remarketing, we talked about how you need to log in into your Google account, that is ads.google.com. Once you log in, you go to the tools. From the tools, you go to share library. From the share library, you get to the audience manager to audience source. Then you click Google tag, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see where you can actually copy the code for Google tag, and that code that you copy, that's exactly what you're going to implement on your website. So finally, before I go today, I would like to share some winning strategies for using RLSA. Show ads to only users or visitors that actually visit a page on your website. Build on more generic terms, but for only most qualified users. Try as much as possible to exclude the converted user from your campaign. Bid on competitor terms only when the users have already visited your website. I believe you have gained value today, and if you actually want to start and running with this, or you want to start and implement RLSA for your business, if you have been actually working on PPC, all you have to do is to log into the same place, ads.google.com, and actually play around it, see how it works, implement the code on your website, and keep watching your list. So guys, bye for now. Next time you are going to see me, I'm going to be talking about PPC mastering. What is pay-per-click? How does it work? How can you leverage on pay-per-click? Bye for now.